Hi and welcome to another video of series Sharing Experience. Today we learn about affiliate keyword research with Scraper and Ahrefs. We'll learn how to find brands, how to scrape data from e-commerce sites, how to do keyword research on scale with Ahrefs. So to get started, let's find a random niche. So I'll go to Amazon directories. We'll pick any random niche from here in sports, sports and fitness. I'm just picking any random sub niche. Uh, like golf is quite trending niche, so here I'll pick any random sub niche like golf balls. So by now we have a niche, but we don't know the brands which are selling these golf balls. So from where we can find these brands is this. Amazon sites is also providing featured brands here, but these are not all brands. We can use them also, but we need more brands. So what we can do is we can copy this golf ball keyword, main seed keyword, and go to google.com with search setting to United States region and search, and we'll find some e-commerce brands, e-commerce sites which are selling golf balls. So for that we'll just do a basic Google search like buy golf balls online, and you see we got some sites here like golfdiscount.com, rock bottom golfs, golf ball planet, and again Amazon. Now let's see if they have listed any brands. Golf ball, yeah, here we found some brands, but the problem with this site is, you see, they have number mentioned here, so removing them will take quite time. Like here, hot sell, here we find more brands. So what we have to do is, I'm using a scraper Chrome extension, this scraper by DVHTN. This is a free Chrome extension you can use to scrape similar data from like any website. What it do is, when you right click here, it will give a new option like this, scrape similar. You have to click over it and it will scrape all the similar data from the website. You see, it also scrape the link, but we don't need links, so we can remove it from here. Remove and scrape. Now we have a list of 13 brands. Copy and paste it in our text editor. Now we have to filter it, this list, by unwanted keywords like link is not required, other is not required. I'm working from home and there is some construction work going on another building, so you might be getting some noise, so pardon for that. We got 12 brands. Close it, go back to Amazon. We also work on these brands also, so right click and scrape similar. Again remove link, scrape again and copy the list and paste it here. Again remove link from here. Now we have list of 19 brands. I copy this list and go to our favorite tool, Ahrefs Keyword Explorer. Now paste all list here with the United States region and search. Now go to matching terms and phrase match. Now we got list of 5 lakh plus keywords. We have to filter it by KD, maximum 10. You can put KD depending on the keyword difficulty you want. And here, by going to tab in include, going to tab any word, will filter the keywords by verses and review with a asterisk mark. By the star mark, because by putting this, it will find all the keywords with review, reviews, reviewing, etc. Now click on apply. Now we got list of 2000 plus keywords. Now we have to filter it according to our keyword search. If you did keyword research for your brand, for your niche you are working on, you might know basic brands also and basic keywords. Like you see, we find this keyword Cultra Startway review with KD2 and 800 volume. Now Google search it. It have good volume. Average site have DA of 20 something. Now we can narrow down the keyword research by doing basic what you do for other keywords. Main concept of this keyword research with scraper is to find the brands with words and then verses and review keywords which are easy to rank, and working on these keywords are the more conversion generating keywords, as the buyer who is looking to buy golf balls, for example, in this niche has already done his research and now he's on the final stage to buy, so he is looking for review of the final golf brand he's going to buy. So if you work on these type of keywords, write content, and you got rank, and after that if you get visitor, then conversion rate of those visitor is quite high than other keywords. Like this tailor made P790. Videos are ranking. You can also create a basic video. Similarly, you can do narrow down your research with these keywords. Like we found this again, KD2 keyword. See, you have a list of now 2000 keywords. You can filter it more, again, more and more, dig deep to find more. Will mm, to find more low competition keyword to work on your site. Similarly, you can do keyword research for any niche. You just have to search for buy your niche online and get the site e-commerce sites which are selling that product, and from there scrape the brand name, go to keyword explorer, and then filter the keyword by versus review in phrase match. So that's all for now. See you tomorrow in next video. Bye.